I'm going to ask you a very fun question.
If I say no,
Yeah?
you'll still ask it. No?
No means no, man, Ken. You know that.
Ah,
Yeah.
yes.
No means no.
Yeah, yeah.
So, yeah. It's
No,
the
yes, baby.
Yeah,
Oh, yes.
yes, baby.
Oh, yes.
And if it's a yes, it better be a oh, yes.
Oh, yes,
Oh,
baby.
yes. So, my first question, okay, because, I'm the media.
Mhm.
Why Triple X?
Why not Triple X?
Well, that's a great answer. Why not Triple X? You have to tell me a little bit about the journey of this.
Okay, so when I was approached first by the good people at Balaji some time ago, would you be interested in doing something in the erotica space? I said, wow, why not? Are you sure? They said yes. I said, I'm on. And that was a start. And a long journey later, we are here today at the launch. And on the 27th, it'll be out to the world, and hope they like it.
I have a very important question. I'm sure a few of you share this question. वो उसके मुंह के अंदर क्या था लाल कलर का?
Oh, Ritvik?
This is
As he would say, Abba Dabba Jabba.
Abba Dabba Jabba. Do we call up your shining cast tonight? Yeah.
It was some balls.
Let's get the cast up on stage right now.
Yes. Ritvik Danjani. Adar Malik.
Woohoo!
Aparna Bajpai. We have two Aparnas. So there's Aparna Bajpai and Aparna Sharma. And of course, Malishka.
Woohoo!
And Vandana, better known as Kinky and Pinky. Priyanka Talukdar. Shantanu Maheshwari. Flora, I can't see. Is everybody? Raina, come up. Is there anybody else? Nobody else. There's some people who acted behind the camera. There's Tanveer there and Saket.
Yes, Tanveer and Saket, can we please have you on stage?
Please come up.
Saket, please come up on stage.
All the body shots are Tanveer's. Okay, that's the mini cast of Triple X.
Fab. Let's start from Shantanu right there. Shantanu, we're going to go one line each about what motivated you to be part of this.
I don't know. Okay, you guys saw the trailer. I mean, it looks fantastic. I had great time working with Sir, and my character was great. So that's about it. I'm excited for this. Looking forward for 27th to binge watch it.
Yeah, go for it. No, go for it. Go for it.
So, बात ऐसी है कि मुझे जंगली बिल्लियाँ बहुत पसंद है.
Okay.
The rest, you gotta see. You'll know it all once you see it. But it's been a wonderful experience, and thanks for making me. You have to know this, that we had a woman cameraman. We had so many girls on set, and it was a blast. You have no idea.
Girls, you have more fun. Let's ask the other girls there. Aparna?
Hi, everyone. So the excitement level I'm sure, has increased right now after watching the trailer. Ken has been wonderful as a director. I think he made us all feel very comfortable. And it's the first youth erotica of our country. And since our population, 65% is under 30, so this is the best thing.
Well, I think...
Yeah, go for it.
the other Aparna has already summed it all. It's the first youth erotica, and the way Ken narrated the entire story and the way Ken directed, and I'm talking about the audition, the way he directed the audition was really nice, and I thought I really, really need to get this role, and I got it, and I was more than motivated to do this film.
Adar?
Hi. So I think everybody's kind of said, like, it is the youth erotica. It's Triple X. I'm just going to say, like, the one thing Ken told me, not before signing me, it's after we were done shooting, was, Adar, you were the only guy on set who didn't get it up at the end. So I was thoroughly professional. I think I would like to take that as a compliment.
Wow.
Yeah, no sex for me.
Well, I want to see that couch. What got you cast? All right. Ritvik, you have to tell us.
You know, Ken Ghosh, Balaji, Alt, with also the script that was narrated to us, all of that put together, I don't think you need any further reasons for you to say yes. And I think the way Ken narrated the story, he was living it from day one. I think he's still living it right now. That's exactly why the trailer was played second time, because Ken like, ek aur dekha, mere ko maine banaya, ek aur, please.
Wow, when you say you were living this is so much fun.
But he's been outstanding. I think all of this was really possible because Ken was so
into it,
experienced at so many things that he was doing. So yeah.
Like I say, this is Wednesday night for me, you know, this much.
Of course, of course. All right, Priyanka.
What motivated me, I think, Ken Ghosh. Because when he asked me for the role, when we sat down and he narrated everything, and the first thing he said, so there's going to be body shots and kissing scenes. I'm like, yeah, I am fine doing that. It's like, no, like real kissing scenes. So you will see everything. And we all had to go through this chocolate test, the audition that you saw in the trailer. So it was fun shooting with the whole team. And I mean, I'm really, really looking forward to it.
That sounds like a fun audition because, you know, you were measuring.
Yeah, he told me.
I'm sorry, Malishka's upset because she said she didn't get that audition.
She got the real thing.
Oh!
She got the real thing. No chocolate walking.
You know, you must know us radio jockeys have a mic anyway.
I tell you.
We would be very good, Malishka. Come on.
She was stuck in a hole somewhere. So you're asking me, why did I do this? Because, well, I was kind of fed up of being stuck in holes that were in the roads. But no, I must tell you, when Ken told me about this and I sat down and I said, do you realize this is very different from what I am seen as out in the world, even though he didn't give me this chocolate tub bath. And I think that's the very reason that I did it. Ke chalo, KG ke saath XXX banaya ja. Plus, can I tell them my name in the movie?
Yes, you must.
Yes. My name in the movie is Kinky.
Woohoo!
And the girl next to you
is my sister, who is...
Sister, who's giving her tips on how to get kinky. Well, yeah, the reason I've done it is purely something which I've never done before. It's a cameo, it's, a role that I've never attempted before. Nobody would have seen me in something as wild as this. Just a line from the show I'd like to say, एक रात में मैंने किसी का 2.5 किलो पिघला दिया.
क्या बात? क्या बात? Sorry, I think Sunny Paji is calling.
Ken is a dear friend. My association with Alt has always been wonderful. And wishing Triple X super success.
And a little bit from the kinky brain behind it, Tanveer Bukwala.
Yes, please.
Okay. So, unlike what Ken said, I don't have the body to give body shots, clearly. So that's wrong information. No, but as part of the writing team, I was part of the producing team on this one. I have to say this is the most exciting project we worked on. We had a great bunch of actors, and there was nobody better than Ken. In fact, I want to retell his story a bit. I messaged him saying, hey, do you want to come direct Erotica? His reply was, what time?
Whoa! Wow,
That's how this journey began, and it's ended here. And kudos to the man that put it all together. And let's party.
You know, the good thing is that nobody's shy, and we've established that, right? So it's not a boring launch. Did I call other launches boring?
Come on, it's Triple
Oh, I'm
X,
so
it's
sorry.
Ken Ghosh, it's Triple X.
So we're going to do something. We're going to stir things up. You guys have obviously played Never Have I Ever. Once in your lifetime. Usually आपको Never Have I Ever में लोग मिलेंगे ऐसे जो बोलना नहीं चाहते कि उन्होंने क्या किया है. But ये जो cast आपके सामने खड़ी है, they will voluntarily tell us कि आपने क्या-क्या किया है. Okay? I'm going to throw the first example, and the media, okay, my friends from the media, you've been out all day, you've been, you know, through a Visarjan and through a match. You get to ask some really fun questions as well. So think about the question you're going to ask, all right? The first one I'm going to ask you, anybody volunteers, put your hand up and admits to doing this. Never have I ever kissed someone in the public loo. It'll be fun. It'll be Sulabh Sauchalaya, yeah? Hands up if you've done it. Hands up if you've done it.
All of us, we are part of the Swachh Bharat. Yeah, we prefer to do it in the toilet.
Yeah? Never have I ever done it in a public loo. Very mild question.
Very mild question. Yeah.
Wow. Next. Okay, I'm gonna ask. Wow. Are you ready for the next question? Okay, this one's a bit. I must warn you, this one's a bit. Okay. If you say no, you're gonna be in trouble. Got turned on while watching Triple X. Shantanu!
Oh.
Shantanu, this is the point where you take the mic and say something about the experience.
Totally. I mean, when you see it, obviously, it was tough dubbing for me.
हाँ तुम तो खिड़की में झांका झांकी कर रहे हैं.
I had to see the whole thing, so I mean, by default,
यार,
Triple X. I'm watching Triple X.
तुम्हारे fans तो बड़े excited है, कह रहे हैं कि बड़ा मजा आएगा. ये अगर कर रहा है तो सही कर रहा होगा. I just want to say this about your fan following. I've been following the groups and they're very excited about this. All right. What about our friends from the media? Do you have a never have I ever? Yes, yes.
So never have I ever got attracted to your friend's girlfriend or boyfriend.
Oh, nice. Ken, you're honest. Thank you, Ken, for your honesty. Other?
Yeah, of course. Like
Yes.
There was a point where I wanted to study engineering. Huh. There was a point where I wanted to study engineering. So वहाँ पे there was like
one girl.
There was one girl. So at some point she's somebody's girlfriend. So you're attracted to somebody's girlfriend.
Oh, nice,
Yes.
nice. And what about on the set?
Oh, on set, it was Ken all the way. Ken
Ken
was
all
protecting.
the way.
Yeah,
Wow,
it was,
Ken,
yeah.
you should put both your hands
Hey,
up, man.
screw 377. Yeah, I love Ken right now. This
All
mic
right.
is our connection.
Hey, it got done, yeah, by the way. Just news, huh? Okay. Up next. Anybody else with a question? Ooh, nice. Malishka, put your hand up right now. And we'll confess to that night we both had. Come on. Skinny dipping. Aparna has raised her hand. Aparna, was it in the Andheri Swing Complex? Say no.
Well, it hasn't happened once. It's happened a lot of times. And
Okay.
one was in my own building. Like when everybody goes off to sleep, you go down to
You think everybody was sleeping.
Or maybe not.
Or maybe not.
Which building?
अच्छा building कौन सी address दे दीजिए please.
Oh, Royce Place.
Nice, very nice. Okay, honest bunch. Do we have time for another? Yes, we do. Yes, ma'am, in the white. Got rejected.
What?
Never have I ever got rejected while proposing to a girl or a boy.
Ken,
But you know what?
Do you want
make
to
this-
take? Do you want to take the center stage?
Everybody's done this. Yeah. That
Listen, I was okay. I was 113 kilo, guys. So yes, I was rejected many times with a lot. Yeah. So but बचपन में तो बहुत होता है ऐसे. But Kenny, do you want to take the center stage instead of putting a hand right there? हर बात पे हाथ ऊपर कर रहा है तू.
You know, I must ask you all of this. Okay, all of you, this one question. You know, I confess to peeing in the pool. Yeah, we've all done that. Yeah, सारे
Yes,
हाथ ऊपर.
that's
सारे
a
हाथ
liberating
ऊपर, yeah.
experience.
Yeah, everyone who's peed in a pool. But hey, you don't really pee in a pool if someone's with you. Keep a straight face.
No, that's what Olympic swimmers do. That's what it is.
Yeah,
It's
or like,
professional to pee in the
but,
pool.
you know, you don't pee in a pool when there's somebody inside the pool with you.
Ah.
Yeah. You can't. You shouldn't. It would be wrong. So, never have I ever had too much fun in a swimming pool. Oh, nice. Please confess to it. Let me at least have an image of you doing this.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah!
It's awesome,
Okay,
yeah.
This is newsflash. Adar Malik and Malishka Mendonca and Ken Ghosh have
This
admitted,
just sounds like a weird threesome right now. It's just
have admitted to having too much fun in a swimming pool, guys. This is amazing.
Mine was in a lake with a lot of people around.
What?
She doesn't believe in artificial stuff.
Malishka,
Yeah.
Malishka, I know one thing for sure. Yeah. No, I mean, यदि तुम्हारी image की बात कर रहे हैं ना, तो लोग यहाँ पे पवई लेक समझेंगे कि भैया वो अब तक clear नहीं हुआ. I know one group of people who sweats when she calls them, and that's the BMC girls and boys. All right, okay. All right, okay. The last one is never have I ever. This is fun. Lied about my virginity. Lied about my virginity. Ken is still lying.
Ken, you're still a virgin. You said that.
I am still pure as the morning dew.
Oh.
Untouched and
Yeah, we have to
ऐसा
follow.
morning dew सबको
There's a
नसीब हो.
son of mine
We're all
there
like bhai,
who's an
we're all
immaculate
virgins right now.
conception.
Oh my God.
I just thought of him and he was.
Oh my God. Other?
Yeah, we're like bhai. We're like Salman. We're all virgins right now.
Oh.
It's fantastic.
Fun. Absolutely.
There was no method involved.
All right, thank you. That was a fabulous round
Thank
of
you.
Never Have I Ever. But if you think this is all,
Oh, it's not.
hey, where's my whip? Yeah. Okay, this is fun. I'm going to request my friend to walk up. This, freakishly tall people who are here. They're going to walk up on stage with something in it. Hi. Matlab, my head is like your navel or something. Hi. This is amazing. I feel so tall right now. Okay, great. So here's what we're going to do. Oh.
You should start from that side.
No, I have something. You know, Ritvik, because I have always fantasized you doing this for me. I want you to unhook something for me. Would you do it?
You know, I am a director's actor.
Okay.
I take his help
Yes,
with
yes,
everything.
Ken, tell him to get down
Take
on
it
his
off.
knees now.
All off.
All of it.
Take it all off.
All right.
Tell me, what do I do? What?
I want you to raise this above my head.
This above your head. Here you go.
Thank
Right
you.
there. Yes.
And I want you to wear this. Okay. Would you do us the honors? Thank you. Oh my God, hairstyle. Oh, men and their hair. We're messing with men and their hair. This is terrible. Okay, great. Okay, this says be naughty, so we're going to do exactly that. It's a game called Kiss and Tell. Okay? Come, my love.
I am leaving the stage right now.
Okay, Ritvik, I'm going to... No, he can't cheat, okay? Girls, please make sure he doesn't cheat. Okay, we're going to put something to your lips. What? No. And you have to guess what this something is. Okay? Are you ready? Okay. The media can see it. This is our first prop for tonight, everybody. Okay? Ritvik, are you ready? You're going to kiss and tell. Okay? No. You can't touch. Both hands down. Okay? Kiss.
Yeah, this
You
is
have to say which
this
girl
is
it is.
furry.
It's furry, yeah.
Yeah, so it has to be.
that sounded all wrong, you know.
Handcuffs, teddy bear, teddy bear shaped handcuffs.
Teddy bear shaped handcuffs. You want to take that out?
Yeah.
It is handcuffs!
Yeah, there you go.
Well, you know the kinkiest one here tonight. All right, please volunteer. Malishka, I would like you to go next. Yes, the other way. It says be naughty, okay? Okay, are you ready, baby? Are you ready? Oh my God, this is so delicious. This is delicious. This is like a radio fantasy we've already done in the studios, guys. I just want to say this. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, kiss.
Some tongue action also.
Malishka, don't lick, yeah. Just kiss, yeah. Okay, say. It's a wig. It's a wig. Okay. Just for fun, what color would this wig be? It could be blonde. Now you want to take off the be naughty. Almost there. All right. Who's volunteering next? Let's pass it on. Adar, be a good boy and do this for us, okay? Okay, we'll put this back in. Thank you, my love. Adar, you got it on? Okay, this is fun. I love this. I'm playing all my fantasies out in one night with multiple people. Thank you, Ken, for this opportunity. It's wonderful. All right, Adar, Malik, are you ready? Okay. Ladies and ladies, kiss. Shh. Okay, Adar.
This is this I took these off in the morning.
Okay.
I'm sure that the
When
flowers,
did you
the
last?
Absolutely.
When did you last
Which
use it?
flower? Which flower? Because I know men usually can't tell the color of their own girlfriend's eyes.
I like using new words that I lavender. Is it lavender?
Aparna, I'm so sorry. You're going to get terrible flowers through this. I just want to say this to you. This is not a lavender.
Oh, it's a rose.
No,
yeah,
lavender. You think you're in Berlin or something. But anyway. Okay.
There is a rose smell, yes.
Guys, it's not a fake rose, I promise you. All right. We do one last one. Who volunteers? Shantanu. Shantanu, come on. Okay. Do we have something for Shantanu? Oh my God, yes. Is he done? This is the most fun prop. Hi, Shantanu. This was not my fantasy, I promise you. But now, because we're here, we're going to do this. All you guys who are laughing on Facebook Live, no! I must say, Shantanu, you've really saved the best for the last. Are you ready? Kiss, kiss, kiss. Look at that smile. No, just at least guess it. Yeah, come on.
I mean, chocolate bar or it is some food, that's for sure.
We just replaced it, but he didn't know.
No, okay. Okay. It's banana. Yeah.
It is banana. Thank God, it is banana. And wow, that's going to stay with your fans forever. I just want to say. And Shantanu, you get to keep that with you, yeah? Yeah? That be naughty.
Okay.
I want you to have it forever from me. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. I hope that was as much fun for you as it was for me. I might actually need a handkerchief. All right? I'm sweating. This was fun. Okay. I would like to now throw the floor open to questions. So please ask away, make it fun. We're all here on a day that it was very hard to get here, so make it worth everybody's time, all right? Let's go for it. All right, Mike's with you. Please do take the name of the person you want to ask the question to. Thank you.
Hi, Ken.
Hi.
Sana from Indian Express here. Hi.
Hi.
So firstly, Ekta has decided to not be connected with her name with this show. So does that affect you as a director because it's now just you ruling it?
No, I directed it. It was the same before and same right now. So it's not changed. So no.
And this film, this was supposed to be a film that was being shot 3 years back. And what got it to not release as a film?
Yeah.
And how does it affect now that it's a web series?
So a couple of things. One is there are commercial decisions which you'll need to check in with the people at Balaji. Sorry, I don't know why I looked there, but yeah. But also creatively, we kept shooting for quite some time after we started, and while editing, so everybody knows it's 5 stories. So it sort of lent itself better into 5 episodes rather than one flow with an interval and things like that. That's creatively, but also there are a lot of commercial decisions. And I'll tell you one thing, the guys at Balaji know their commercial stuff. So they know how to market things. And so if it's their call, they know what they're doing.
And do you feel after Gandhi Baat and Last Stories, this kind of shows actually, and is India ready to accept just shows?
India is ready to accept a lot. I think we as makers dumb ourselves down where we shouldn't. The audience is a lot more receptive, lot more intelligent than we give them credit for.
And Shantanu?
Yep.
So this is
What's
something which, of course, we would never imagine Shantanu doing, and your fans, of course. So do you feel the pressure? And it's been 3 years that you've shot for it. Today, what is your emotion about the...
I'm very happy that it finally, people will see this because it's not only the cast who has done a lot of hard work for this. There's a lot of, he has done a lot of hard work. The production has done a lot of hard work for this. So it's a good thing that the movie or web series is getting released. So it's a very good thing. And I don't have any kind of pressure because I knew when I signed for it, I knew the story perfectly well, what my character was, what I was expected to do. And I was very, very happy to work with Ken sir, to be very honest. And I had a great time shooting for this, so yeah.
You know, when you say hard work on an erotica, it's just so much more fun. I'm just giggling inside of me right now.
And
all right.
Ritvik, last question for Ritvik. Ritvik, of course, sensibilities change with time. So
Correct.
what is your take on this right now, and what was Asha's reaction when she saw this?
Wow. I didn't see that coming at all. Well, no, on a serious note, I think as actors, our responsibility is to look at the script, to look at the makers, to you know, put our beliefs in people who are going to be making it. And like you said, a couple of years ago when it was supposed to be coming out, it was exactly the same. I think we believed in the project then, and we believe in it right now. No matter how it sees the light of the day, seeing the light of the day is more important. Now it sees it. I think it's very important for people to understand that now India is growing, and everybody is growing, and everybody is, you know, like Ken said, very receptive to different kind and bolder content. And I think it's out there. People watch it. It's right there. So I think it's a job that I've done, and everything that you do with all hard work, and I think you have to be proud of it. So I think all of us are really proud of what we do. So I think we have to put all our faith and all our energies into it to make sure that people love it. And I think our hard work will speak for itself.
Fab answer. Wow, full heart. Yeah, give him a big hand for that. That was lovely.
But you ignored the Asha part. Ritvik, you ignored the Asha's.
Sorry, Asha. No, by the way, Asha is, before taking the decision, Ken knows Asha more than me.
Cried. She cried.
Kamine.
She begged. She cried. Every day when Ritvik went back home, he got whipped.
Yeah.
Okay, he came back next day for shooting, got whipped again, then went back home, got whipped.
You will not believe. Asha actually, so while I was reading the script like the way we were reading, she's read it. She has spoken to Ken about it. Ken has explained her everything that she's doing. So she's very well, versed with what we're doing, and she's also seen the trailer. So yeah, I think she's definitely okay with it. I'm sure.
Yeah. She will be. I hope.
All right.
Liberty, as in, sorry? Web series against a film. Yeah, so yeah, obviously doing a web series is a lot more liberating. It's there are a lot of things you can do because you're not limited by a lot of commercial decisions that a film is bound by. A film needs to recover its money in that 1 week. A web show can take its time. It can sit on the platform, that is released, and there are a lot of shows that suddenly pick up weeks later, months later, sometimes years later. So that's a huge advantage, that you don't have that pressure of okay, you've got just 1 week or 1 weekend to get your money back in.
Ken?
Yes.
Yeah.
Would you say that if the web series format did not exist, would a show like XXX could never have been made, or would you have not even approached this kind of subject?
When we made it, there was no such thing as a web series. When Tanveer messaged me, we didn't have the concept of a web series in the world.
शांतनु सामने
हाँ बोलो
शांतनु ट्रेलर से मुझे इतना तो पता चल गया कि आपका कैरेक्टर क्या है लेकिन इतना आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि जो वीडियो के दौरान आप जो कुछ भी लोगों के घरों में ताक झाक कर रहे थे तो क्या क्या देखा आपने ये जानना चाहेंगे आपसे
आपको ट्रेलर में मेरा कैरेक्टर समझ में आ गया आपको ये नहीं समझ में आया कि मैं क्या क्या देख रहा था
वीडियो में आपने क्या देखा वो मुझे कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा
सब तो दिखा दिया उधर पे
तो आप बताइए कि आपने क्या क्या देखा
क्या क्या देखा मतलब ये जो आपने ट्रेलर में देखा वही मैंने भी देखा है
कुछ एक्स्ट्रा एक्टिविटीज
तो आप 27 को आएगी ना तो पूरा देख लीजिएगा एक्स्ट्रा एक्टिविटीज भर के एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज एक्चुअली
Sorry?
Wow, I was waiting for this question all night. What is the kinkiest thing you've ever done, Ritvik?
What is the kinkiest thing that I've ever done? तुम्हें पता ना I'm dating one girl for 8 years now. Like you see the man, मेरा हाथ एक बार भी ऊपर नहीं उठा. मैं इसको यही बोल रहा था यार मैं बड़ा बोरिंग आदमी मैंने जिंदगी में कुछ नहीं किया. हाँ तो मतलब ये उसको पता होना और मुझे पता होना जरूरी है मैं तुम्हें बता दूं यहाँ पे XXX के बारे में बात करो उसने क्या देखा मैं बताता हूँ तुम्हें इस शो में बहुत कुछ देखा है शांतनु ने हाँ
ऋत्विक
जी विजय
शूटिंग के दौरान आपने सबसे ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल आपको कहाँ लगा मतलब
यार ऑनेस्टली बताऊं केन से बात करके टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट बिकॉज हर एक्टर के दिमाग में जब आप ऐसी स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ते हो तो डर जरूर रहता है कि हाउ इज इट गोइंग टू बी मेड दिखेगा कैसा है एंड हाउ इज इट गोइंग टू बी परसीव्ड तो आई थिंक केन वाज वेरी assertive and very sure about कि किस तरह this cannot look anything sleazy. This has to be aesthetically beautiful. And I think हमारी जो DOP है Kiko, she did a fabulous job. And I think she being there and Ken being there, हम सारे actors को बहुत ही ज़्यादा comfortable किया गया था, keeping in mind जो scene है. And I think Ken is the only man who should take the credit for everything. Yeah.
That's true.
there's a whole team.
I mean, yes, हमें comfortable करने में,
correct,
हमें
correct.
comfortable करने
I
में
take
सारे
all
actors
credit
को
for that, yes.
Ken को credit
Ken,
जाता
I
है.
have a new title for you. From now onwards, you're going to be Papa Erotica.
Yeah, yaar. No. People then call me safe and all that, yaar.
Oh God! How
Please
boring.
do not fall if you hear such words that I am safe, I'm a nice guy. Please deny it on my behalf. I am not.
Kenji.
Kenji.
कास्टिंग के बारे में आप मुझे कुछ बताइए.
हाँ, कास्टिंग. हाँ.
कहाँ से चूज किया आपने?
अभी तक चल रहा है कास्टिंग. कंप्लीट हो गया पिक्चर, बट कास्टिंग अभी तक चल रहा है.
Yeah, we had to stop because the stage was kind of full, you know. So.
हाँ जी, बोलिए.
कुछ बताएंगे आप मुझे, इतने हॉट एंड हैंडसम कहाँ से चूज किया आपने? कुछ ऑडिशंस लिया या फिर?
तो we had a very good casting director to help us, Ador Mukherjee. I don't know, is she around? No, she's not here. She played a big role in the beautiful cast we have on stage. So yes, a lot of credit to Ador for that.
And Ritvik, जब ट्रिपल एक्स की बात होती है, like ट्रिपल एक्स, तो आपके दिमाग में सबसे पहले क्या याद आता है?
विन डीजल.
विन डीजल.
सच्ची बोल रहा हूँ, मेरे को जब पहली बार बोलेगा तो मुझे लगा था मुझे टकला वकला कर देंगे और घुमाएंगे मतलब इधर से उधर, लेकिन फिर मुझे कैन ने बोला ना वापस आ बेटे, ये वो ट्रिपल एक्स नहीं है.
दीपिका पादुकोण नहीं है.
Let's redefine Triple X, and I think that's what we're about
That's
to do
what we've done,
when
yeah.
this starts streaming on Alt Balaji. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much.
Thank you.
We've really
Thank you.
run out of time right now. I swear they will all be available to talk to you one-on-one. Thank you so much, and don't forget to watch it on Alt Balaji. To the lovely cast and crew, you guys look yummy, and I can't wait to watch it. Thank you, and don't go anywhere क्योंकि party जो किंकी पार्टी है वो अभी शुरू हुई है. अब तक तो ऋत्विक ने जैकेट भी नहीं निकाला है. ऋत्विक, that's what we told them so that they stay. Yes.
माइक भी बंद कर दिया मेरा. अच्छा हाँ. No, before we all go, we have to say a special thank you to Tanveer, because he is the man who actually also really worked hard even before Ken and everybody was just Tanveer. A huge round of applause for Tanveer because he made sure. He was so adamant about कि this is going to work, and so Tanveer, thank you so much for all of this. Thank you, Tanveer. Thank you.
All right, let's do a couple of photographs. If anybody wants to come in the front to do pictures right now, thank you. That is your beautiful, ginormous cast of Triple X Uncensored. No, we're okay. I think they can do a nice pan and they'll do pictures.
Tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be.
There's a very fun photo booth right there. I want to tell my actors who came in later, it is one of the funnest photo booths that I've been at. So please go get some really fun pictures done. And of course, have a great time tonight. Thank you for watching.
Tonight's gonna be.
आइए.
रिया.
चलो हाँ. No. I just wanted to get ready. चलो हाँ.
Okay, ऋत्विक जी, वेब सीरीज जो
जी.
आप कर रहे हैं आप ट्रिपल एक्स.
जी.
कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस और कितना फन किया आपने? कितना
सर,
enjoy था आपके लिए?
सच बात तो ये है, जब हमने ये फिल्म शुरू की थी तो दरअसल हमारा जो जितनी भी एनर्जीज थी, जितना भी थॉट प्रोसेस था, वो ऐसा था कि एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन फिल्म बनेगी एट अ स्ट्रेच, बट फॉर सो मेनी अदर रीजंस, फॉर सो मेनी कमर्शियल रीजंस, जिसकी वजह से वो आज एक वेब सीरीज़ के रूप में आ रही है. एंड आई थिंक इट्स ओनली गोइंग टू ऐड वैल्यू, क्योंकि अब हमें है ना किसी चीज़ का वो जो सेंसरशिप यूजुअली होती थी या जिस चीज़ की वजह से वो शायद एक फिल्म के तौर पे उस समय रिलीज़ नहीं हो पाई थी, आई थिंक इट्स गोना ऑल टेक केयर नाउ, आई मीन अपने आप में. सो आई थिंक वी लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट एंड होपिंग फॉर द बेस्ट.
जब केन घोष ने आपको नरेट किया होगा या
जी.
जब इसके बारे में बताया, सबसे पहले क्या आपके जहन में आया था? मतलब लोग क्या कहेंगे?
आजा.
शांतनु प्लीज.
आ जाओ.
हाँ जी, हम तो ऋत्विक जी आपसे बात कर रहे थे, जब आपको सबसे पहले नरेट किया गया क्या कुछ आपके जहन में आई है?
मेरे जहन में देखिए सिंपल से जब ये किरदार मुझे नरेट किया गया, पूरी कहानी मुझे नरेट की गई, तो बहुत ही फ़नी कहानी थी, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग कहानी थी, और अपने आप में इट वाज अ डिफरेंट जर्नी जो मैंने इससे पहले कभी स्क्रीन पे निभाई नहीं थी. एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट जब एकता कपूर और केन घोष साथ में मिलके ये चीज़ मुझे ऑफर हुई थी. सो आई थिंक इतने बड़े नाम और इतना बड़ा प्रोडक्शन और इतना सब कुछ जब मिलके इतनी अच्छी चीज़ बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं, तो आपको अपने आप ही आपका जो भरोसा और आपका जो बिलीफ है उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाता है. सो आई थिंक उस बिलीफ के बलबूते हम आगे बढ़ रहे थे और हम यहाँ तक आए हैं. सो यस.
शांतनु जी, आपकी जो आपका
हाँ, अच्छा मैं इधर ही हूँ. अच्छा सॉरी, मैं सोचा
जिस तरह की इमेज है आपकी, अच्छा डांसर, क्यूट बॉय, ये एक डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर है आपका.
ओके.
हाँ, वही उसी से रिलेटेड. क्या कुछ
एज एन एक्टर हम लोग को अलग अलग चीज़ें प्ले करने का मौका मिलता है, तो हम लोग को ये जब ये भी कैरेक्टर जो है बहुत डिफरेंट है एंड अलग है. 17-18 साल का बच्चा है, अलग है. सो आई मीन इट वाज गुड फन एंड इट्स अ फन स्टोरी. सो मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया करने को. सो इट फन. और क्या बोलूँ इसमें.
डिजिटल वर्ल्ड के बारे में क्या कहना चाहिए, क्योंकि अभी बहुत ही ज़्यादा सभी बड़े बड़े आर्टिस्ट डिजिटल में डेब्यू करने और आप भी कर रहे हैं, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
तो अच्छी बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग सब. हाँ, डिजिटल वर्ल्ड डेफिनेटली इट्स अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी बिकॉज सेंसरशिप कम हो जाती है. एंड मोर देन सेंसरशिप इट्स जस्ट दैट कंटेंट जो है वो फ्रीली स्पेसिफिक ऑडियंस के लिए भी आप बना सकते हो. एंड इट बहुत ज़्यादा कमर्शलाइजेशन जो है वो उसका थोड़ा सा कम भी होता है. सो दैट वे इट्स जस्ट फन टू बी पार्ट ऑफ डिजिटल एंड अच्छा कंटेंट बन रहा है, तो व्हाई नॉट बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट.
वेब सीरीज लोगों को बहुत ही पसंद आ रही है.
हाँ जी.
आपने हाल फिलहाल में कोई वेब सीरीज देखी थी, आप दोनों से जानना चाहेंगे जो आप लोगों को बहुत पसंद आई, आप और एक्साइटेड हैं? या
बहुत सारी यार. आप लव स्टोरीज ले लीजिए, आप मुझे गुल बहुत अच्छी लगी, और इसके अलावा इनसाइड एज मुझे शुरू से बहुत अच्छी लगी थी. ऐसी तो बहुत सारी सीरीज़ हैं यार एक्चुअली जो अभी फिलहाल शुरू के समय में कुछ समय में पिछले कुछ समय में आई हैं.
इनसाइड एज इज वेरी नाइस.
इनसाइड एज इज रियली नाइस. या बहुत सारी हैं. हाँ जी जी जी. नहीं, आई थिंक मैं अपनी जितने भी लोग हमें फॉलो करते हैं और जितने भी लोग हमसे इतना प्यार करते हैं, मैं उनसे सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहूँगा कि वेर एक्टर्स और हम कुछ नया ट्राई करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. हमने कोशिश की है कि कुछ अलग करें और आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश करें.
एंड मोर देन दैट, सॉरी आई एम कटिंग इन दिस, बट इट्स जस्ट दैट हम लोग, मतलब मुझे आई रियली फील दैट मोर देन जस्ट एक्टर्स एंड आर्टिस्ट, इट्स अ स्टोरी दैट शुड बी रिस्पेक्टेड एंड इट्स अ फन स्टोरी. इट्स अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ अ स्टोरी एंड आई थिंक पीपल शुड watch it out of the stories and the characters that it has, rather than just pinpointing कि अरे ये कर रहा है वो, ये कर रहा है वो. It's
बट स्पेसिफिकली अगर आप जिस तरह से फैंस की बात करें, जिस तरह से लोग जो हमसे प्यार करते हैं, उनसे सिर्फ इतना कहेंगे कि हम एक्टर्स हैं, हमारा काम है अलग अलग किरदार निभाना, और ये एक वो अलग किरदार है हमारी ज़िंदगी का जो हमने निभाने की कोशिश की है. एंड वी ओनली होप एंड प्रे कि उनको ये भी पसंद आया और उनको ये भी अच्छा लगे कि हमने ये भी करने की कोशिश की. और इसके अलावा भी हम ज़िंदगी में बहुत सारी अलग अलग चीज़ें करेंगे. सो आई थिंक हम चाहेंगे कि, और भगवान से प्रे करेंगे कि उनका साथ और उनका प्यार हमेशा हमारे साथ रहे. एंड दैट्स अबाउट इट. Well, I think web space is definitely a little more creatively free, और I think आपको explore करने का बहुत ज़्यादा मौका मिलता है. जो जितनी भी बंदिश है जो usually एक टेलीविजन शो में या बाकी सारी चीज़ों में आती है, वो वेब में नहीं होती. तो I think उस बात का फ़ायदा तो हर किसी को होता है, चाहे वो एक्टर हो, डायरेक्टर हो. And I think it's always great to be a part of a web show. Yes. But thank you guys. Thank you everybody. हाँ जी.
27 तो आ रही है. 27.
Please, all Balaji पे have a nice and a binge watch and have fun and tell us guys how you like. Tell us how you like it. Thank you guys. Thank you.
महेश रोले सर, जितना मेरा नॉलेज है, बहुत ही लंबे टाइम से आप ये प्रोजेक्ट करना चाहते थे. ये जो प्रोजेक्ट है आपका लंबे टाइम से करना चाहते थे नहीं, कर रहे थे. लेकिन शायद हो सकता है फिल्म आप बनाना चाहते थे, सेंसर की प्रॉब्लम थी, ये नहीं. फाइनली आप ये वेब सीरीज के दौरान आप ला रहे हैं, क्या कुछ फीलिंग है सर इस XXX को लेकर?
तो क्या होता है जब आप शूट करते हैं कोई भी फिल्म या स्क्रिप्ट पे, तो कैमरा में देखो कौन से को, अच्छा सेंटर, तो टेक 2 चलो. हाँ ओके हो गया. हाँ, तो जब आप फिल्म पे काम करते हैं या स्क्रिप्ट पे काम करते हैं या वेब सीरीज़ पे काम करते हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली मेहनत बहुत होता है उसमें, तो यू फील गुड कि जब रिलीज़ होता है, वेदर बिग स्क्रीन पे, स्मॉल स्क्रीन पे, मोबाइल फ़ोन पे, whichever screen, as long as audience sees it and enjoys it.
ट्रिपल एक्स नाम रखना ही मतलब कुछ जरूरी था या और भी हम कुछ नाम रख सकते थे, फन इंटरटेनिंग ऐसा कोई नाम रख सकते? ट्रिपल एक्स नाम रखना कोई खास वजह?
Because है ट्रिपल एक्स.
ओके।
जैसे कि आपने कहा कि पहले ये मूवी बनने वाली थी, बट आप वेब सीरीज पे कन्वर्ट हो गए, फ्रीडम मिलती थी अगर मूवी में बनती थी?
नहीं, तो ये नहीं कि फ्रीडम की वजह से, एक तो कुछ कमर्शियल डिसीजंस है विच बालाजी जो मार्केटिंग और रिलीज़ में माहिर है, आई थिंक दे आर मास्टर्स, तो उनका अगर डिसीजन ये है कि नहीं ये बेटर होगा अगर ये वेब सीरीज़ में रिलीज़ हो जाए, तो इट इज़ अ परफेक्ट डिसीजन फ्रॉम देयर पार्ट, क्योंकि जैसे मैंने पहले कहा था कि फ़िल्म का ये है कि आपका सिर्फ वीकेंड का बिज़नेस होता है, या तो फिर मैक्सिमम 1 वीक का बिज़नेस होता है. वेब सीरीज़ में वो प्रेशर नहीं होता कि आप एक ही हफ्ते में आपका पूरा जो इन्वेस्टमेंट है वो रिकवर करना है. तो वेब सीरीज़ इज़ अ मच बेटर मीडियम जिसमें आप ऑडियंस को दिखा सकते हैं कि आपने क्या किया.
ओके, हमने थोड़े दिन पहले बात किया था एक तरीके से, तो उन्होंने कहा था कि मुझे कोई भी क्रेडिट नहीं चाहिए ट्रिपल एक्स के लिए, ओनली केन घोष को जाता है और पूरे स्टार कास्ट को. ऐसा क्यों? स्पेसिफिक कोई रीजन नहीं, बोला कि एकदम केन से ही पूछना.
आई थिंक नहीं, आई थिंक एकता से ही पूछना पड़ेगा कि बट आई मीन आई थिंक थैंक हर फॉर गिविंग मी द क्रेडिट फॉर द शो, बट आई थिंक इट्स अ होल टीम एफर्ट राइट फ्रॉम तनवीर to Ekta to everybody is worked on it.
So can we say that you are being a favorite of Ekta because it's a third web series in Alt Balaji?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि Ekta is too smart to have favorites. If you deliver, then you're her favorite, and which is the way it should be. कि you're as good as what you've just done.
27th of September का इंतजार कितना है आपको, कितना बेसब्री से?
तो क्योंकि ये फिल्म नहीं है तो उतना प्रेशर नहीं है कि 27 फरवरी को ओपनिंग मिलना चाहिए या सॉरी 27 सितंबर सॉरी टेक 2 हाँ टेक 2 क्योंकि ये फिल्म नहीं है तो उतना प्रेशर नहीं है कि 27 सितंबर को ओपनिंग मिलना चाहिए या 28 को क्या होगा या 29 को क्या होगा. वेब सीरीज़ है तो आप 27 सितंबर 2021 में भी देख सकते हैं, तो इट डजंट मैटर.
थैंक यू सर, गुड लक.